Hi, in this review we're going to be looking at the Vanguard VEO Range 38 camera bag. The Range 38 is a messenger style shoulder bag. It's made from a closely woven synthetic fabric that seems both durable and well made, with high quality stitching. Vanguard don't claim that it's waterproof, but as the supplied rain shield only covers the fastenings on the top and front of the bag, I think it's reasonable to assume that the material is probably water resistant. There seems to be some confusion about the available colours. According to Vanguard's own website, the Range 38 is available in two colours, blue and this colour which is called stone. However, the product photography on the internet gives the impression that the stone colour is a shade of yellow, more akin to khaki. But as hopefully you can see in this video, it's not. I quite like the colour, but it was a bit of a surprise when it arrived. Feature-wise, it's pretty much par for the course for a modern camera bag, with one important exception that I'll come to shortly. There's an adjustable shoulder strap and a carrying handle, a goodly collection of zippered pockets, plus the usual internal compartments with movable dividers held in place by Velcro, allowing you to customize the bag to your needs. Storage is in two tiers with a horizontal divider between the two. This divider can also be moved if you need the added depth. The Range 38 has a fold-over top flap that fastens in place with both a zipper and Velcro. In addition, the two straps can also be used to fasten the flap down. This means that you can close it securely for travel and then just rely on the Velcro when you're using it in anger. A slit in the top allows quick access to the gear used most often, but you'll probably need to put large items in the middle. There are plenty of pockets for smaller items. The larger pouches will accommodate a tablet or a modest laptop. There are two external pockets that can be used for water bottles. You can attach a tripod by moving the straps to a second set of fastenings so that access to the top is not impeded. There are also straps on the back of the bag that allow it to be hung over the handle of a cabin bag. I shortlisted about half a dozen similar camera bags based on price, size, weight and weather resistance. But what made me choose this bag was the fact that access to the bottom storage is gained via a flap on the side. This means you can get to all your stuff quickly and easily without the need to rummage. When it arrived, the bag seemed a little smaller than I was expecting, but I'm happy to report that it has swallowed all of my camera gear and still has room for more. There are only a few areas where I think things could be improved. I would have liked to have seen some feet or a rubber protection strip on the bottom of the bag. The single carry handle is a bit half-baked and makes the bag lopsided. I can see why there isn't a second handle on the flap, but wouldn't it have been better to attach the handle to the same lugs as the shoulder strap? It would be nice if the horizontal divider between the two tiers had a 60-40 split. Then you could have larger things such as a long lens on one side while still utilising both layers on the other side for smaller items. Overall, for the price, it seems like a good quality bag with plenty of well thought out storage, and I'm very happy with my purchase. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this review useful.